Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a custom product archive page in WooCommerce website. So make sure that you have got this plugin Elementor page builder. Then you can go in website dashboard and now you can see all of the plugins that I have installed. So let me go here in plugin sections. Let me scroll down and I have installed this one Elementor Pro. So you can go here and click on add plugin, then you can easily upload the plugin file. So you can go and select the file, make sure that you are uploading plugin file in zip format. So after that you can go to templates, then click on theme builder. Before that, make sure that you have enabled all of the features in Elementor settings. Scroll down, make sure that you have checked all of these. So now let me scroll down and you need to go here in product archive, then click on add new button. Now Elementor page builder is loading. After that we will be able to add new sections and edit existing sections in our website. So now let me click on cross button, and after that now I want to add some text on the top. So this can be archive title, and now let me align it in the center, this one. And if you want to decrease font size, you can also go from here. So I think that one is okay, and now let me go here and pick up the size. Okay, after that let me go back and select the okay, now it is in the center. Now let me add new section, and then let me select this structure, and now on the left side I want to add filter. So let me drag it. This one is white Ajax filter plugin. So let me select the filter, and on the right side I want to add the products. So let me go and select archive products. So after that, if you want to add some spacing from top and bottom, then you can go and let's select 50. After that, click on publish button. Then you can select the conditions. So this will be for all product archives. Then click on save and close. So now let me go back and let's go on archive page. So now here you can see it's working fine. So now you can easily customize and add any of the text and products anywhere.